Morning students, class 12 bio chapter 1. We proceed further in the topic sexual reproduction in animal. We discuss the points of that. First, the sexual reproduction in which the involvement of gamete formations and both the parents are required, male and female. That means the gamete is formed. That process is known as the gametogenesis. Pre-fertilization event. First we look the pre-fertilization events. Pre-fertilization event, that events will take place before the fertilization. What is fertilization? Fertilization is the fusion of male and female gametes. Before fusion, some of the event take place, that is known as the pre-fertilization event. The first is gametogenesis. Gametogenesis. That means gamete is generate. Gamete is formed in the both sexes, male and female. Gamete. What do you mean by the gamete? Gamete is the reproductive unit. In the male case, male gamete is the sperm and female gamete is the ovum. That is, the gametogenesis is divided into two parts: spermatogenesis and oogenesis. Spermatogenesis, that means a sperm is formed. Oogenesis, ovum or egg is formed. The gametogenesis is two types. Spermatogenesis that take place in the male and oogenesis which take place in the female. So that means the sperm is formed by the spermatogenesis, the process when the cell divides, the reproductive cell divides and form the male gametes. That is the mother cells that is divided in the meiosis divisions, like that. The sperm is formed meiotically. That means the meiocyst is formed. And another case also, the haploid cells is formed in the eugenesis. That is, where the reproductive cells divide mitotically and that process again in the meiosis cell divisions, and a sperm is formed and ovum is formed. फिर आगे चलेंगे.